The first step for staking VVS Finance is having the Crypto.com app and the DeFi Wallet app. Once you have both set up, you want to go to Transfers and Withdrawals and connect your Crypto.com DeFi wallet to your Withdrawals tab in your VVS token. And then you're going to want to withdraw your VVS into your DeFi wallet app after waiting 24 hours. You want to use the Kronos network and you pay a 6,000 VVS fee. Now our VVS has been withdrawn to our DeFi wallet app. Now that we have our VVS tokens in our DeFi wallet app, you want to go to the Earn tab and earn more. Select the VVS token, deposit all of your VVS tokens, and then you'll see you have to pay a $1 in CRO network fee. So you'll have to go back to your Crypto.com app and deposit 2 CRO. And these CRO don't have to be bridged to the Kronos network, they're just normal CRO on the CRO network. So once you've deposited 2 CRO, you'll be able to deposit and then start earning your 100% APY on your VVS tokens.